Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index climbed above 99 on Monday, recovering losses from the previous session after President Donald Trump walked back his threat of large-scale tariffs on China. Global forex sentiment has shifted from central bank policy battles to political uncertainty. Despite last week's strong gains, renewed trade worries drove a sharp weekend sell-off. Traders now eye US inflation data and Fed comments ahead of the quiet period for policy guidance. WTI crude rebounded sharply to around $59.4, rising about 3%. Trump's new tariff threats clouded the demand outlook for an already oversupplied market. Last week's steep losses stemmed from multiple factors: OPEC's production increases, surging output across the Americas, and easing geopolitical tensions after the Gaza ceasefire deal. As OPEC unwinds prior cuts, traders fear a renewed supply glut. A prolonged US government shutdown could further weaken the economy and curb demand from the world's largest oil consumer. Gold surged past $4,115 per ounce, hitting an all-time high as US. China tensions reignited and expectations for Fed rate cuts grew stronger. After Trump revived tariff threats against Beijing, investors rushed to safe havens. Markets are now pricing in a 97% chance of a rate cut in October and another in December. The ongoing US government shutdown and widespread federal layoffs have intensified risk aversion. JPY traded just above 152, recovering some of last session's losses after renewed US-China tariff concerns. Traders await China's latest trade balance data for fresh direction. However, ongoing US government paralysis could weigh on the pair in the near term. Meanwhile, Japan's new political leadership and speculation that the Bank of Japan might hold off on rate hikes this year may limit yen strength. These cross currents keep the pair in a cautious yet positive range heading into midweek sessions. Euro stabilized just below 1.16, escalating US. China trade tensions and the US government shutdown continue to pressure the dollar, lending support to the euro. Trump's call for a 100% tariff on Chinese imports sparked fears of retaliation and broader economic fallout. Meanwhile, easing political tensions in France buoyed sentiment, with President Macron set to appoint a new prime minister after Lecornu's resignation. The reduced likelihood of snap elections has further boosted investor confidence in the euro.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.